Okay, y'all, so I didn't get the vlog in the store, but I have a $25 Bath and Body Works and 30 on a prepaid Visa and all of this stuff. It's a beautiful Saturday. What I'll do is I'll separate everything when I get home and give y'all the breakdown and see just how I sleep. All right. I was getting to the money. Everybody mad. Hey. All right, y'all. So let me tell y'all what's this real fast, the deals of the week. Now, I did 2 transactions. So remember on my thumbnail, you're going to see a lot of merchandise. I just split it in 2. I did the same thing on both transactions. I'm going to come close up on the receipt. This grand total was $472, and I added on a $25 Bath and Body Works gift card to eat my overage. How did we get to that? Well, I am going to tell you. You got Band-Aids this week. They're originally $3.99. You had a $3 off of 1 coupon, and you also had $2 off of any 2 mix and match. So I got 4. If y'all keeping up with the math, y'all will see this is going to go very quick. Kotex liners, they're $3.79. When you buy any liner or any Kotex products, you got the sleek look 10 packs for free. So this automatically takes off $4.99 twice off of your total. So really you only paid $3.79. Now these had a coupon for $3 off, so I basically paid 79 cents for each box. Your Kleenex this week is buy one get one free, $1.69. So buy one get one free is going to be $1.69 divided by 2. However, I had $2 off of any one, making my Kleenex like $1 and change overs per box. So I did 4 of these per transaction. Sticking with my no meat and staying with more veggies, Bertolli this week is buy one get one free, $3.09 divided by 2. That's $1.50, and you go back and use a dollar off of each one jar, making these like 50 cents a true buy one get one free state. Your prices are divided. Your Febreze, buy one get one free, $3.79. I had $2 off of any can, giving me $1.25 overage. Welch's juice, buy one get one free, $2.79, $1 off of each one. Mr. Clean, 2 for $5. So you also got $2 off in the Publix purple flyer. I love these scents, by the way. And I went back with the $2 off of any one, giving me more overage. So as I go along, if you're paying attention to what I say, Publix is one of the stores like Walmart where they generally, the register will show you overage. Now, in the event that you do have money over, the CSMs will turn the key and they will give you your money on a Publix gift card. However, the smart thing to do will be to do your math as you walk up, and pick a gift card of your choice off of the gift card rack. Reason being, if they give you that green Publix gift card and you use it for future purchase and you have a gift card in that transaction, it's not going to scan. So I don't even bother with those. I pick one off the rack, I pick what I want, and let that be done. And for transaction 2, I didn't do a 50 Visa this time. I just put 30 on this, and I'll go and give a close-up on the receipt with that as well. This detergent is down here, and this was major key, y'all. The Publix Purple Fly has $2 off of any Dove product. So I did 4 of these, so I got $4 off from Publix, and then manufacturer coupons, I went back and used $2 off, so this give me overage. Y'all understand how my channel Beauty on a Budget correlates with couponing. For everything I save, when I walk out the store with these gift cards, sometimes I have Sephora, sometimes I have Ulta, Neiman's, Nordstrom's, and that's how I buy my makeup. And then you all also see me slay the drugstore, because I'm like your drugstore diva. I can give a beat out the drugstore as well as high-end makeup. So all of this right here, how all this ties into my channel is because what I save here, I could buy on makeup, and then I don't even do that. 90% of my makeup and everything is free off of couponing. When y'all see me put up a 1 + 2 = 3 deal, just know I've done a transaction in the grocery store, walk out with the gift card of my choice, and then I'm going to that store, i.e. Ulta, Sephora, and whoever else. When I got to the register, I had about maybe like $22 in overage. So what I did is I add on my Bath and Body Works gift card. What I did this time, y'all, is I added on some grocery items that I did not have coupons for. But because I did 2 transactions, I wanted to balance on each transaction. So they had cheese this week, 2 for $6. So this is already $2. This is already $6 that's going to get added to this pile. They had these wraps. I did the whole grain and the spinach. These were $2.50. So that's going to be more money added to that. I went on the clearance aisle and the 52 count oatmeal, $8.99. They have 50% off of the red tag. It should have came to $4.50, but it was ringing for $3.50, so I grabbed 2 of these. So this is transaction 1. So to make sense on transaction 2, I did my broom for $7.99 and another oatmeal over here, and something kind of like equal price of the cheese. I did some sliced turkey. So all of this came to a grand total of $17.10, you all, and including fees. 2 gift cards out the door. Remember, any questions, y'all hit me on my IG DM and I can help you per state and wherever you are, and get your coupons and start shopping your sales. Start looking up your sales. Hit the stores up. I mean, there's money out here to get people. See y'all in the next video.